Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Anushka and today I am going to share you my experience of Hype India auditions, that how I got selected with some tips. So let's get started. My audition was at 10 and I got there way before 10 o'clock. If you guys are auditioning, you should also go there 10 or 15 minutes before. I do think it is an advantage to go before and take your numbers way before other people in your batch. When I got there were actually girls standing outside the hotel. So I was like, these girls are for audition. They took us inside before 10 and first they did our registration. After the registration they gave us a number. So my number was 008. I know, right? It was really early because I do got there early, and we were set to go to the waiting room, and also whose parents also came with them. Even my mom came. So parents were set to, there was not another waiting room for parents. It was kind of a restaurant inside the hotel. So I think, yeah, that's something new. We were told to sit in the waiting room, and they told us that they instructed us that when you go inside the audition room, do not say your name, do not do anything, just go and stand there, don't even smile. And you know, girls around me, they're like, don't smile. What do you mean don't smile? I mean, we should smile, you know. That is how we are going to show them our personality. I mean, that is the only way we get, because if you're not even allowing us to introduce ourselves, even a smile, like what? Yeah, so I really thought that was like, yeah. But I do recommend to you guys to not listen to them if they told you this, and do smile in front of the judges. Yeah. So after that we went inside the audition room. 10 people were set to go. So before entering the audition room, we were actually told to keep our bags and our phone outside the room. There was a staff which was actually collecting the phones and bags of the participants who were going inside the audition room. So yeah, we kept our phone and bags. We went inside. There was Hype India CEO and also an Indian staff. The Indian staff had actually a laptop, and she was playing songs for the people who chose dance category. So for the dance, when you're in the waiting room, you will get a Google form, and in that Google form you should fill everything: your name, your Gmail, and which category you're choosing. And if you're choosing dance category, then they will give you a QR code which you should scan and submit your time slab. So time slab you can submit from YouTube. You can take a video which you were practicing for the dance and just link it and your time slab, like from the starting, from which you will start, and from what you will end. So like, yeah, you must know that. So moving on, we were told to go there, and 10 people were standing. So he was like, he was so sweet, by the way. Yeah, he was really sweet, and he told everyone to start doing. So the first person did dance. I think in my batch, 10 people, most of the girls did dance. I don't know why, but like only 3 girls did singing. I did singing, by the way. Yeah, so I was in the 3 girls who did singing. I did singing, and the one thing that, you know, I like noticed that him doing, every time I mean, other participants were dancing, doing their category, he was sitting normally. So when my turn came, I was singing. He was sitting normally, and suddenly, you know, when I'm singing, he's like, there's a table there, you know. Yeah, he's like, and yeah, I think everyone in the room noticed that yeah, वो हो गया. और फिर उसके बाद we all went outside of the room, and then the number that they gave us, they were removing that. Okay, so when I got outside of the room, I was taking out the number slips. Another staff was like, wait, you go there, you stand there. वो मेरा स्लैब नहीं निकाला उन्होंने, एंड आई वाज लाइक, ओके, आई मीन क्यों, यू नो, मैं पूरा भूल गई थी कि ऑन द स्पॉट भी चूज़ करते हैं. आई वाज लाइक, यू, ही वाज लाइक, you go there. And और 2 girls को they actually side में लिया, and he told us to go into the other room, and we girls were like, oh my god, we got selected. So yeah, we हम लोग उस रूम में गए, and in that room there was a Indian staff. She had an iPhone with her, and she was actually recording our singing, dancing, and taking our profile photos. So if your category is like singing, okay, आपने अगर singing choose किया है category के लिए और तो आप select हो गए, so आपको dancing भी करनी पड़ेगी. So that's a mandatory, okay, if you get selected, and then they take your profile photos like front, left and right. So yeah, जो बाकी के 2 गर्ल्स मेरे साथ selected हुए थे वो इनिशियली उन्होंने डांस कैटेगरी से पास हुए थे, या बट द थिंग इज़ दैट दे ऑल्सो हैड टू डू सिंगिंग, एंड देयर वाज नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेस टू डांस. या like it was really a small room and you cannot actually show your all dance potential in that of a small room. So I was like, yeah, ये लोग डांस कैसे ही करेंगे. But yeah, anyways we did, and उन्होंने वो सब लिया, डांस वीडियोस, singing video, only 20 seconds they need, okay, only 20 seconds. I mean, show your all potential in that 20 seconds. And if you guys are auditioning, I think if you are not that confident in your dancing skills or singing skills, I think you should be confident no matter what. Yeah, just be confident no matter what, because you know it's just life, it's skills, you know. If they see you're confident, they can actually increase your skill by getting you selected, but they have to see the potential in you. And just be confident, just be yourself, you know. Don't have the self-doubt, and yeah, just have fun. So then yeah, and one thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that जब मैं select हो गई and वो other 2 girls भी मेरे साथ select हुए, and the one girl was like, oh my gosh, when you were singing I was like about to cry, and I'm like, oh my god, that is a best compliment. My song was actually kind of an emotional song, and also when I was singing in the initial audition room in front of the Hype CEO, the girls around me was actually like, were actually looking for like who is singing, like yeah, like that. So yeah, I think it was pretty good, yeah. So वो हो गया, and then we got out of the room and they removed us like the slot, the number, and then we were off. Yeah, and when I got to the hotel room, in the hotel also they asked the candidates to fill another Google form. So yeah, and then in the waiting room initially they also took our consent form. So yeah, for the consent form, if you're wondering, you can fill it digitally, and you can also write it using your pen, using your own handwriting. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, please do hype this video. I would really appreciate it if you guys do it. And if you guys have any doubts, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer them all or make another video answering your questions. So yeah, do subscribe. Bye, see you.